The relief that comes from knowing your routine contracts are being reviewed with speed and accuracy is priceless. AI can bring you that peace of mind. But for AI to work on your contracts, it needs to first understand how to negotiate on your behalf, be able to read and understand legal language, and review and redline your contract as if it were a human lawyer. Lawgeex does it all, and it's done in 4 stages. First, Lawgeex codifies your legal policy so our AI can understand how to act on your behalf. Second, our AI identifies issues in your contract that are different to your legal policies. Third, it applies surgical red lines and comments automatically. Lastly, Lawgeex ensures the result is accurate as a final line of defense. The process begins by first tailoring our AI to mirror the same positions, risks, and guidelines that you would, essentially codifying your legal policy. This essential setup ensures your contracts will be reviewed with consistency across your entire organization, regardless of role or location. We call it a digital legal playbook. Our customers call it gold. Having reviewed millions of legal documents, our AI comes pre-trained, so it understands over 1,500 legal concepts and applies that deep legal knowledge to every contract it reviews. We map every legal policy you have to a legal concept in the playbook so that our AI can understand exactly how you want it to review and redline your contract. The best part? Lawgeex does it all for you. Once your playbook is built, you can start sending us contracts. It's as easy as sending an email. But Lawgeex also integrates with the tools you rely on every day. First, our patented AI analyzes your contracts and identifies legal issues in line with your legal playbook. It applies a deep understanding of legal concepts and goes beyond basic keyword recognition to actually analyze the contextual meaning of your contract and can identify legal concepts even if the keywords aren't there and even if they appear in different places in the contract. For example, here, the AI contextually recognizes that this is a non-compete clause. Even though the word non-compete isn't found, it's hidden in the general clause. Not only does it identify that the legal concept is present or missing, it goes deeper and pulls from your playbook to look for the specific elements within each concept that you've identified as important. Here, Lawgeex has identified the legal concept of termination. It knows that in order to comply with your legal policy, the specific element of termination for convenience must be included. Next is the auto markup stage. Lawgeex automatically updates the required elements in your contract to comply with your digital playbook. It pulls the relevant legal policy from your digital playbook and applies red lines surgically instead of replacing entire sentences and paragraphs. Our AI applies your standard language to the contract while automatically adjusting the defined terms in each contract. It edits the text automatically and adapts the rest of the contract accordingly. Lawgeex not only updates the relevant legal concepts, but the technical aspects of the contract as well, like auto-numbering, cross-referencing, formatting, and spell check. It also deletes unacceptable or non-compliant language and adds in automatic predefined comments to provide rationale for the changes and ease the negotiation process. What makes Lawgeex uniquely powerful is its ability to redline contracts surgically, just like a lawyer would. Because our AI knows how to best conform to the standard position, it only applies minimal changes that are necessary to conform substantially to your legal policy. As a result, all parties experience faster turnaround times, less friction, and increased consistency in contract review and negotiations. As a final line of defense, the entire Lawgeex process is supervised by a powerful task force of experienced commercial attorneys who oversee the AI and ensure accuracy, so that what is supervised today becomes pre-trained in the future. Like other best-in-class AI, this approach provides a continuous loop of quality assurance while maintaining exceptional standards of work, which is a hallmark of the legal profession. Contract review and negotiation in 4 steps. You're just one step away. It's time to conquer your contracts.